Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are making this beautiful Diwali hanging lantern featuring these colorful paper bowls and a peacock. It's a perfect decoration to add cheer to your home for the coming Festival of Lights. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we?
First, take two small paper balls and cut out the rims. These balls are about 11 centimeters in diameter. You can also make scallop edges for the balls. It's time to paint the balls with your favorite colors. I've chosen this poster paint since it's easy to clean up and dries in no time. Space out your designs evenly. Start by finding the center of the ball. From there, make a point on all four sides. We can start making our designs and patterns. Next, follow the same process to create your design for the second ball. Now take a card paper and let's draw a body of a peacock. Or you may also download the template from the description below. Then cut out the peacock. Now take a colored A4 card paper and cut it into half. Fold the paper in a zigzag pattern, just like making a paper fan. Fold it together just as shown. Make a pointed tip and make a half circle cutouts on the sides for the feathers. Open it up and add some colors on it. Color both sides of the paper. Fold it back and connect the two sides. Now take a string and cut at least 50 centimeters. Loop a string and tie it to create a handle for the hanging decor. Now, with a large needle, begin to thread the beads and alternate together with small pompoms. After 11 beads and pompoms, poke a hole in the center of the bowl and gently pull the string to the top of the bowl. I decided to add a bell for this bowl and continue threading the beads and pompoms. Make sure that the pompoms and beads are not tightly squeezed and have enough spacing. After 20 beads and pompoms, poke a hole on the second bowl. Continue to thread beads and pompoms. This time, I will use 15 beads and pompoms altogether. Then take the folded paper or the peacock feathers. Find the center and poke a hole on the bottom part of the feathers. This time, I only threaded 1 bead and 2 pompoms. Then stick the body of the peacock. I made 2 peacocks to cover both sides. Finally, add a bell, or you can also use a bigger bead or bigger pompoms.
And there you have it, your very own DIY Diwali hanging lantern. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!